My name is Sandy Avila, and I'm the president of the Lady Lowrider Car Club. The lowrider community in itself is huge. Being a woman in the community, it's a blessing because, we're able to kind of show face for the women and represent for the ladies out there and empower and encourage the younger generation to keep the culture growing. Starting Lady Lowrider was the perfect opportunity to make a club for women that have the passion for lowriding and love cars, love hydraulics. I feel like that's a huge thing for me in our club is, the whole hydraulic part, and just kind of building a sisterhood for women that have that passion and encouraging one another to be positive, to, continue to move forward with your build and just really build like a good sisterhood in the street as older women because, we're not young. But, it's really cool to have that connection with women in the car culture. It's really dope. We've done so many things for the community, as the lowrider community, for the community. Last year, we made a donation to the Make-A-Wish Foundation for our toy drive. One of our members was able to choose the organization that she wanted to donate to. She had a brother that was fighting cancer at the time. We'll do like a fundraiser. We raise money for toys and we ask for donations. And then we also like to set up a breakfast for the community, for the family who are getting the toys, Santa giveaway. And every year it's different. Every member is able to pick, whatever organization is special to them. And they want to be able to give back and bless. So that's what our toy drive is based on, just, giving back to the community. We did a collaboration with the Savage Fenty lingerie line, showcasing the Dia de los Muertos history combined with cars and lowriders and community. We all had a good time, and we're gonna probably be hitting that event now every year. It was really nice. I got into the car culture at a young age. My dad had a 64 Impala. He would build them, work on them, and I remember, him having friends come over with their lowriders and just seeing them around the community. Pasadena actually had a really cool cruise spot in Old Town Pasadena. So growing up, they were always there, always around. He did end up selling them as I got a little bit older. And fast forward to, about 8 years ago, my husband started getting into lowriders and wanting to buy lowriders. And I went out with him one day in his car and I was just like, I need my own car. Wasn't, feeling the passenger princess thing. So I bought my own car and then built it. And it's really cool that once I got back into the lowrider scene, my dad kind of got back into it and he started buying cars again. It's been really cool kind of having that connection with him that we didn't have before, and to kind of motivate him now to get back into it. And he's bought like a couple cars now, which is really cool. It's a really cool thing. For any women out there that are wanting to build cars, just go for it. It's going to be a little headache, but you're going to love it. At the end of the day, it's going to be worth it. You can do it.